Hey, writers, publishers, and creatives. This PLR product of the week is an email newsletter marketing course. So, if you are teaching your students how to grow their email list, start their email list, those type of things, you definitely want to get access to this email newsletter marketing course. Now, this course is sponsored by my friends at Spark at Content Sparks. So Sharon here has a video where she is telling you more about the course, so you can look at that. Then you also have access to within the course, you have access to, I'm going to scroll down here. This is just a part of what the course looks like. So this is like the main course outcome. So the main course outcome is students will create an email, a newsletter that meets their business goals. They'll send out their first branded newsletter that will engage and educate their readers. And they'll even have their second one lined up, creating a solid base for future marketing efforts. So if you don't know, email newsletters are what's in. I know that they've been talked about before, but those really short minimum newsletters is what's in when it comes to help you to grow your email list. Of course, I have one. So my newsletter is the Elevate Your Digital Publishing Business Daily. And I'm going to tell you, it has been a game changer, not just for myself, but for those on my email list as well. They're getting 3 quick and valuable tips. And not only that, it helps me as a creative stay consistent, in which that's something I did not do in these last couple of years. Okay, so email newsletter marketing, here's a peek inside the course, so you'll be able to play that. And let me tell you what's included inside of this package. You get the introduction. Module 1 is all about planning your newsletter. Module 2 is about designing your newsletter template. Module 3 is about creating the newsletter. So each of the modules have different lessons that are included. Module 4 is set and maintain content creation schedule. Module 5 is fine tune to boost success. And module 6 is the next steps. Okay, so you get everything that is included inside of here so that you can teach your students and you can really have this course for you already done. The student material that comes with this is a course book, action guide, your ideal newsletter reader persona, your top competitor analysis. So these are worksheets. And listen, not only can you sell this course as not just as is, but you can brand it, add your logo, and those type of things. Think about even these worksheets being a separate product. You can make these worksheets by itself as a digital product. So I just want you to think about that. Content writing checklist. You have your email newsletter content calendar. That by itself is golden, is a digital product by itself. A summary cheat sheet, graphics. You got your course overview, infographic. You got your course roadmap. Now, what's included for you as the instructor are your slideshows, your speaker notes, your evaluation forms, your 5 course delivery email templates. Like you get your welcome email when you're selling. When you're selling this course, you get your sales copy. So your sales page copy template on your landing page. There's some bonuses. So you got some social media posts, social media images. You have all of these things to create a fantastic course for your students when it comes to email list building. And the price is amazing, $67. I mean, you get all of this. It's a done for you email newsletter course already created. You just add your branding to it, add some other things if you desire. But I'm telling you, this is so many ways that you can use this course. And I have so many ideas, even myself, just going through this. Okay, so of course I have a link in my description. If you want to book a call, you need to see how you can use this for your business. Make sure that when you purchase this is a topic that you actually teach anyway, and it's something that will resonate with your audience. But I'm telling you, this is a great price. And not just the price, it's just the value of what's included that you do not have to worry about when it comes to these courses. And this is what I love about high quality, high value PLR on sites such as Content Sparks that I highly recommend, because she has taken the guesswork out for you. The course is already done. All you need to do is go and purchase, add your brand, and you can get things going. Okay. So if you have any comments or questions about this course, I'll be happy to answer. Just put them below in the comments. Okay. So until next week, this is our PLR product of the week. And let me know if you have questions. I'll see you in the next video.